My dear students, today we are discussing about the role of nurse in the infection control. So, how to control the infection? What is the role of the nurse in this particular infection control? So, nurse play a vital role in the preventing the development and spread of infections among hospital patients also. So, it is a play a nurses play a vital role play a vital role in the prevention and development and prevention and development and spread of the infection in the hospital. So in here the first one, universal precautions are the concern the particular safe environment that free of infection. First of all, it is universal precautions. Universal precautions are the and the next one. Then the next one of a safe environment, that is the safe environment also. So safe environment also free of infection. According to the Center of Disease Control, according to the Center of Disease Control, CDC, according of Central for Disease Control and Prevention, according to Central Center for Disease Control and Prevention. And the next one, the universal precautions are designed the according to this particular CDCAP. In here, universal precautions are designed. Universal precautions are designed for the to prevent the transmission to the transmission of bloodborne bloodborne pathogens when providing bloodborne pathogens while providing first aid and healthcare. First aid and healthcare. So, according CDCAP, it's designed to the transmission of bloodborne pathogens, means microorganisms. It providing the first aid and healthcare. And the next one, under the universal precaution rules, under the universal precaution rules, under the universal precaution rule, nurse must wear personal protective equipment. Nurse must wear them protective equipment. So, nurse must wear the personal protective equipment when coming in contact with the specified body fluids. Coming into contact with them specified body fluids. Specified body fluids, coming into contact with the specified body fluids also. So under the particular precautions, the nurse must wear the personal protective equipments like PPE kits and etc, and hand gloves and head mask, face mask. These are all are it come in contact with this particular specified body fluids. So this is the number one. And the next one, hand wash is another potent weapon. Hand wash also, it is also another potent weapon. It protection from the microorganisms. And the next one, the nursing patients should be neutropenic patients should be receive the frequent oral care and including teeth brushing and gentle flossing, and the next one receive oral antimicrobial rinses when these are the poor hygiene is noted. So means the nurses wear the mask, face mask, and head mask, hand gloves also. And the next irrigation irrigating cations or wounds are thoroughly when between dressing changes compulsory. Irrigating wounds thoroughly between dressing changes. Why? Because of in this particular before the dressing changes, a lot of microorganisms are developed in that area. So that's why the nurse going to change the particular wounds and clean this particular wounds also. And the next one, the catheter dressing should be replaced immediately. So the catheter so dressings catheter dressings should be replaced immediately. Why? Because of any damp or solid at that moment also it immediately replace with the one more catheter. And the next one, IV sets also, IV sets, and then IV sets replaced with the within 72 hours. Why? Because of it control the infections. Any infections occurs with the IV sets. That IV sets are placed in that area. The lot of microorganisms are entering into in our body. So that's why it is up to 72 hours, no problem at all. After 72 hours, the microorganisms are entering in our body. That's why the after 72 hours it replaces with the one more IV set. So this is about the role of nurse in the infection control. Role of nurse in the infection control.